Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance. Today I've got a stucco repair to do. Knocked off all the loose stuff. Definitely a lot of different options for different products you can use. You may need a texture. This one I'm going to try to do it without it. What I've got is a Quikrete stucco patch compound. It's pretty easy stuff to work with. I'll put a link in the description below to that if I can find it. I think I should be able to blend this. It works pretty easy. You can actually use it to get a pretty good texture. Mine has kind of like a heavy knockdown texture type of deal, extra heavy stucco knockdown texture. So that's the mission for today. See how this comes out. I was pretty happy with the product, very easy to work with. Using a small 4-inch putty knife, I think worked good for this to get the stucco on there. Here it is drying in. Again, really easy to work with. You can definitely take a few coats of paint to paint the stucco on something like this, but nothing too complex. A little cleanup. Here's the first coat of paint after it's dried. Just stucco's got a lot of deeper voids and stuff to fill in, so I think a brush was a good call for this. Again, a couple coats of paint.
Caused the problem in the first place was a rogue sprinkler.
The sprinkler may have weakened the material, but then it looks like this also got bumped. But anyway, it's all repaired. Nice thing about this product is if there's anything that's not completely satisfactory, you can always just go over it a little bit more and paint it again. Very easy to work with. Very simple, quick, easy repair.